What's up, y'all? This your girl Kay, back again after a long period of time. I'm just deciding what to do with my channel. I'm going to this is basically going to be a channel update, and I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to be doing with my channel starting the month of March. I have 3 main topics that I'm going to be talking about on this particular channel, and it's going to be what was it that was on my channel? Manifesting greatness, graphic design, and healthy living. So that's what I'm going to be doing mainly on this channel. So in the future, you guys can expect to see more manifesting greatness videos, healthy living blogs, and of course my graphic design. You can design with me, graphic design tutorials, and more. So other than that, y'all, we are getting ready to celebrate our 6th wedding anniversary, and we are, what else is March, and then April. I have a couple of design classes that I'm gonna have to put up, I guess, on the website. Y'all can go and check the website, www.3tllc.com, and I think I'm gonna change that later on down the line, but I'm not sure yet. So for now, it's gonna be 3tllc.com. I think I have more things to put up. Shit, I lost my train of thought, y'all. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this up. Also on my IG, you can follow me on IG at your girl Kanina. It's not the same up on the my banner. I'm gonna have to change that. So I'll also be doing I'll also do a banner design video as well, so you guys can see how I design my banner for my YouTube channel. So check that out, and all of my links are going to be at the bottom of this video, so you guys can follow me everywhere, keep in touch and keep up with me. So I'm probably going to drop a video, maybe, well, it says here new vids Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So what's today? Today's Friday, so it's gonna count. This is gonna count as my new vid. So it's gonna be a short vid. I'm not gonna really, put a lot of stuff into this right now, because I'm just really thinking about what I want to do as far as my YouTube channel goes. So you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know, what would you like to see more of. I was going live at one point, but I don't think I'll be going live unless, like, I have like different topics, or I'm in the shop doing some kind of work or something. So excuse me, that's about it. But until tomorrow, Monday I'm gonna drop my 2nd video, and then I'm working on consistency, y'all. This year I'm just getting started back into my videos every day, so we'll see what's up. But until then, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see. If you follow me, check the community tab, check my community, and let me know what you want to see, and I got you. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Cut your notifications on as well.